Now our next topic is what is Microsoft Access. So Microsoft Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS software. Till now we are saying it DBMS. Now new word is the RDBMS. DBMS means database management system. If you are managing the data, so it is called DBMS, database management system. You are arranging the data in a particular order, a particular form. If you make two tables, suppose this is one table, and if you make one more table, and if you relate these two table, if you will relate two tables so that you can easily extract the information from different table also. So it is called relational database management system. So RDBMS full form is relational database management system. Means it will relate the data one table with another table. So how it will relate the data? With some common with some common field, that is, suppose here common field is roll number. Okay, because roll number is unique, so it is common table in both the table. Suppose this is the table of students detail, and if I will make one more table of student marks, so roll number should be unique there. Roll number will be here also and in another table also. So we can easily connect these two tables. DBMS also provide a graphical user interface. You can create form and you can insert graphics in form also. This is a form, you can insert logo or you can insert any picture in this form, so it will look attractive. So you can store the information of particular, you can add information with the help of form. Okay, so DBMS provide graphical user interface. DBMS also organize large volume of data. If you have data, if you have data of around 1,000 employees or 1,000 students, it will easily organize, and you can, and it also give facility to retrieve the data. Means you can easily search your data with the help of unique ID. Okay, if name will be same, suppose two names are same, so you can easily retrieve your data with the help of unique ID, that is roll number. Okay, it will also reduce the data duplication, as we have discussed earlier in advantages. You can easily update the data, delete the data with the help of query. With the help of form you can insert the data. Okay, and with the help of report you can easily see the data of a particular student or particular employee. If you want to see the data in printed form, you can easily see the data with the help of report. So all three are here in create option: form, report and query. Now one easy example we will discuss. Suppose, so this is personal information of student, and if I will create one more table in which marks and percentage are written of that student. Okay, so I can easily relate these two table with the help of RDBMS. Like this, I have related in two tables, student detail and table 1. Suppose I will give the name it to marks. Okay, so I have connected roll number with roll number, so these are unique ID. If I want to take the information of roll number 2, I can easily extract marks also from another table. If I want to extract name, I can easily extract. But if I want to extract information from another table of same student, so that I can do. I am explaining you how. So this is table of, this is marks and marks table, and this is personal detail table. So I have related two tables. So suppose if I will go in query wizard, and first what I want from table 1. From table 1 I want roll number, I want name, and I want suppose date of birth. So these three we have taken from table 1. Now we will go in table that, sorry, that we have selected from student detail 1. Now we will go in table 1. From table 1, if I want only percentage, so I will click on percentage. Now I will click on next. Detail, I have to see detail, then click on finish. So in this table you can see roll number is written, name is written, date of birth is written, and percentage from another table is also written in a single table of that particular student. Okay, so like this you can relate two table in a single table. So that's why it is called RDBMS.